Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is again Teacher Rhea, and this time I am going to discuss on factoring difference of two squares. So let's have an example on factoring difference of two squares. So the equation a squared minus b squared is a representation of difference of two squares. And it can be factored out by getting the square root of the first term and the square root of the second term. So let's have an example. 4x squared, or factor out 4x squared minus 9. So each term is a perfect square. Let's try to check. 4x squared, that's a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. So how will we know that a particular number is a perfect square? So remember, or you have to memorize the perfect square numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. 49, 64, 81, 100, and so on. And for the variable, variables are considered as perfect square if the exponent is an even number. Second is, the operation involved should be subtraction. So from the concept itself nga difference, so of course, it's subtraction. So how are we going to solve for this one? Let's have First is get the square root of 4x squared. And the square root of 4x squared is equal to 2x. Kay, square root of 4 is 2, and square root of x squared is x. Again, in getting the square root of a variable, divide the exponent to the root. So if a particular radical symbol doesn't have a root, it's understood, or no root is written, it's understood to be 2. So 2 divided by 2, that gives you 1. So which means the square root of 4x squared is 2x. Next, since our 4x squared is our first term, meaning that is represented, or that represents a squared in our general formula. And if 4x squared is a squared, meaning 2x, that is the value of our a. Next is we have 9. The square root of 9 is equal to 3. And from the equation or expression, 9 is our b squared, or the second term, which means 3 is our b. So the factor of 4x squared minus 9 is 2x minus 3, or the quantity of 2x minus 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 3. The square roots nga na-obtain nato will be the terms of the binomial. Okay, so the first and the second term are the same. It only matters with the operation. So the opposite operation, addition and subtraction. So it can be written also the other way, like 2x plus 3 times the quantity of 2x minus 3. Next is we have factor completely x to the fourth minus 81. So first is get the square root of the first term, and the square root of x to the fourth is x squared, because 4 divided by 2, that gives you 2. Next, square root of 81, and that is equal to 9. So now that we have the square root of each term, we can now have our binomial factors, and that is x squared plus 9 times x squared minus 9. Now, what's the difference between our first example and our second example? In our second example, one of the factors, which is x squared minus 9, is another example of difference of two squares, meaning it can still be factored out. The square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 9 is 3, which means the complete factorization is x squared plus 9 times x plus, or the quantity of x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now, x squared plus 9, though there are, or they are perfect squares, but the operation involved is addition, meaning it cannot be factored out. Now, let's have another example. This one. Factor out 2x cubed minus 8x. So if you've noticed, 2x cubed is not a perfect square. 8x is not also a perfect square. But we can do the factoring of the common monomial factor. In 2x cubed and 8x, the common factor is 2x. So that is 2 divided by 2, that's 1. X cubed divided by x, that's x squared. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. And x divided by x, that is 1. So, the factor out form 2x times the quantity of x squared minus 4 is another expression. Now, x squared minus 4, or the resulting expression now, one of the factor, turns out to be a difference of two squares. And that is x squared minus 4. So, using the one factor x squared minus 4, get the square root of the first term. So, the square root of x squared is x. And the square root of 4 is 2. So from that expressions or terms, we can now create the factors of x squared minus 4, which means the complete factorization of 2x cubed minus 8x is 2x, so katong monomial nga gi-factor daan, and then the factor of x squared minus 4, which is x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. So that is how, so the three examples that I provided are three different scenarios when we are talking about difference of two squares. So I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Learn to Love Math with Teacher Rhea.